I will go out, guys, and eat halo-halo.
1,000 pesos a meal.
Hello, guys. The house is so beautiful and big. We go in a restaurant because we will eat halo-halo. And the name of the restaurant is Tops Eatery. That is the tarpaulin of their halo-halo. It's just only 60 pesos, guys. And also a ice cream if you want to eat. And we go inside and sit there and relax and wait for our orders. And then they have other foods if you want to eat. It's like a lunch foods. This is my first time to go here in Aklan, and it's so nice here because you can chill, guys. Look at that, guys. It's so yummy. The halo-halo is already there. We order 6 because we're also 6 guys. You know naman. The taste of the halo-halo is so nice. And the sahog is delicious and it's so sweet, guys. Like me. Charot. We already finished eating, guys. We will go home na. In the house of James and Karen. At namit lang ila halo-halo, guys. So guys, they're making gatanong sanda, guys, at tomato.
Planting tomatoes.
Yeah.
They can raise beds for beefsteak tomatoes.
They make boxes like this with hollow blocks. It's nice, guys.
Hemtech beans. I know you guys call them. What do you guys call Hemtech?
Balatong? Latoy. Ay, magandang balatong. Lain ta ang latoy sa balatong? Gagdo, ano dyan tayo doon? Nagbuk nga style dyan, ha?
Really healthy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And big. This must be the mix.
Maybe you hear that also, guys, but you cannot understand. Ano na yung latoy? Ano mo na
That's amazing.
Latoy in Ilonggo, hamtak in Aklanon. Yeah, it's nice here, guys. The garden of James and Karen.
Remedial work. I think I was met some people.
Look how big the hooks are.
Nanay is cleaning the surroundings here, guys.
Yeah, awesome.
Pwede nyo ko pananam to be.
Pananom man kami to sang una nga hindi pa bla ko busy sa obra bla. Gatanong man ka pero why ko gatanom ta ka gulay ang magurang ko lang. Kung arat na tiga bulig kami sang una kang may may katumbal ta na lapad man. Bisa ka kahon tapos ginabaligya lang namon dason na ang do gamay ra bla ta nga labog. Dason ang kalaban lang ginatanong ang ni mama bulak. Tapos lako sabay lako tanong sana budak mahilig mo ko magtanong. Naguntat lang kay busy ako sa obra.
Bulak-bulak na yung naman.
Damo bulak na.
Kapag nag-uso ka to anay nag-anak nata bulak mo.
Just sit there.
Can you put the
No, I want to wait.
Okay, you wanna wait if we will go home already, okay. Tonton is putting a kahoy.
Wait till we get home.
The gitna of tomato.
There's a lot of things in there that we can grow. A lot of that stuff in
I hope they don't put it on Facebook.
Yeah, they already put that on Facebook.
Put it on Facebook?
Yeah, they tagged me.
We'll do it later.
There is also a pineapple, guys. See that? Ow, ow.
With banana things better.
There's already a ilaw-ilaw, guys. I think this is a eggplant, guys. There. The plant. This is the whole balay-balay of the gulay, guys. Ginalo-halo. Ginalo-halo ng gambal. There's also here a string beans tawag niya ka, di ba? They put kawayan. This is their pig. Ano dia Kak Bayi tanajay, no? Yeah, okay. She's pregnant, guys. Hello, little. It's not little fella. Hi, big fella.
Si Minnie the asin.
Hello, Minnie. Okay lang ikaw dyan? Huwag gini ka uga upod?
Yes, patay.
Nga, ano, kalaki? Look at that, guys. They harvest a banana. We call that saging. I think it's called katsila. I think. Sila nga saging. I'm gonna go here because they have a lot of here. Yeah. You cannot see, guys, because it's already been dark. This is okra. They plant a veggies here. They so industrious. James and Karen. This is also a chili, guys. Yeah, if so that you can see it. Yeah, it's mostly of this kind of chili is grow only anywhere. This is the chili of mostly of Pinoy. I go here in their side of their house, outside. Yeah. See this, guys. It's also a tomatoes. This one is chili also. Yeah. There's already a bunga. See that red chili. Another is green. Also here is also a bunga. Yeah. And this is their garage, guys, of the motorcycles that they have. I think 1, 2, 3, and 4 motorbike. Yeah, this is my first time to see this. They have a gansa also and pato. They have ducks and gansa. We call the gansa geese, I think. Hello. This is also a chicken, guys. You cannot see it inside. Yeah. Yeah, they will eat that,
But
guys.
you can't let them out because they'll eat all the vegetables and everything.
Yeah, that's why. Because James and Karen, a lot of veggies that they plant here.
They would love that conditioner feed we're giving out.
Yeah. They are eating, guys.
Are you live streaming or just recording?
No, just recording. I'm gonna make it eye content. Yeah. Cut this, flowers also, guys, here in the front of their house. Yeah, you see that? It's so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, different kinds of flowers. This one is tomato also, eggplant, tomatoes. Here, a little ones. It's a lot of tomatoes that they planted. Oh, here, also flowers.